Good afternoon, this is Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures, coming to you for your daily afternoon wrap-up for Tuesday, October 4th. Today we, once again, overnight, S&P had about a 23-point range, seems to be that's the average lately. Asia was down, Europe was down, so we came in fairly negative. We opened up pretty far down. We were down most of the morning. The factory orders came out at 9 o'clock Chicago time, really was kind of what expected, so really didn't have much of an impact. The market did start to react a little bit more violently when Bernanke started talking here today. The bonds, however, took what he was saying, and actually it was quite calming for the bonds. The bonds had almost been a panic bid for the last 3 to 4 days, and realistically today, is the more he talked, and he really didn't say anything. He did something for everybody. He didn't expect the twist to really do anything, for jobs, which was kind of negative. He did expect the twist to be equivalent to the half a point raise, or excuse me, lowering the discount rate. So we really do think it would have some economic benefit. But he also said that we continue to weaknesses and they do stand ready, which was kind of the big thing. So the bonds took that as being a little bit negative. So as the bonds were no longer bid and started to fall, the stocks started to recover. In the afternoon, though, we actually had a pretty big rally and we closed pretty much on our high. The the SPX closed 1123, up 24. The Dow, which had been the weakest index the whole day, closed at 10,845, up 153. NASDAQ, one of the most positive indexes all day, is 2464, up 68. The 10-year note, however, closed at 1.78, so even though the bonds gave up some of their bid, we're still stuck in the 10-year rate below 1.8, which is obviously indicates a little bit of panic. The dollar sold off today, 79.22, down 0.4. Gold took it on the chin here today, down $38, 16.19 it closed at. Silver also took it on the chin. So realistically, I don't know if it's a one-day rally, but the stocks were very well bid in the last half hour of today. Going forward, we have some economic news tomorrow, but none of which has the power to move. So we're really looking forward to the ECB meeting on the Thursday to see if something happens, and also on Friday's jobs report. This has been Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures.